Today we're doing part 2 of Morph Suit. We have a sign, comment, whatever you want, and we'll do what you guys want this time. We're trying to beat our record of 14 with no sign. Here we go. Don't play Roblox anymore.
Can't hear you.
I play World of Warcraft now. My email is chase.will17@yahoo.com. So add me there. My computer does not work with Roblox anymore. My PS3 doesn't work either.
One and 2 minutes. Two and 2 minutes.
I'll chase you down the street. You don't honk.
You come down here, we honk at you. We yell at you, we'll chase you.
God, who comes this guy on the bike?
Oh, he better have a horn on that bike.
Honk your bike, honk your bike. Okay, I'm gonna chase this guy. Hey, honk.
Run. Honk. You can't see it, Chase. You're going like this. You should have like signs. Ow. God. Guess I'm not coming over next week. No, I'm kidding. What?
There's a black kid behind us. Is he just like chilling?
Dude, he was standing there for like 10 minutes.
We haven't even been filming for 10 minutes.
Oh, look at that poo.
Since like no cars are coming, we might as well just go to 15 minutes, maybe. What time is it?
4 minutes.
If no cars come at 6 minutes, I have to go to 15. Like if we don't get like 5 honks. How many honks do we have? Like
3.
yeah. Okay, our record to beat is 14.
Honk your horn! Honk your horn!
Hey!
What the heck?
Yeah, the window rolled down too. He's just so stupid.
They were just freaking laughing. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
Rage!
She's gonna smile at us.
Oh. Oh. Race. Uh-oh.
Oh.
Race.
Ah.
Race.
Shame. Don't step in the poop. Chase him, chase him, chase him. Ow! That hurt my foot. Get off your phone. Oh my God. Hold your horn. 4 and 6 minutes. Stupid. We got one more. Chase him this time. Go all the way down there and then run back and chase him. I want him to step in the dog poo. 5 and 6 minutes.
Why is it always the neighbors?
Ow!
Sorry.
God.
Like for one glass of lemonade. Oh.
Like for a glass of lemonade. Sweet lemonade. Commentary?
No commentary. I'm just kidding. Ow! I just hit my eye. Bah! Ow! Ow!
Well, stop it.
I have a level 56, 52. Priest on.
Wow.
Whoa, the wolf ran. Like my toes, like my toes, like my toes. Hey, little kid, honk your horn. Okay, how long have we been filming?
7 minutes. I guess we're going to 15.
No. Well, these people.
Ow. What is that? 5?
No, 5, yeah.
Honk your horn!
Honk your horn!
Honk your horn!
There's almost 2.
And people. Yeah. 6. I'm smiling.
So smiling, we're just kids.
You're gonna make me cry. You're gonna make us cry. Step up. Chase it, chase it. 7 and under 8 minutes.
Okay, so I'm V.
No, remember we have to keep it 10 minutes. That's the challenge for us.
Okay, fine. Keep it 10 minutes. Keep it 10 minutes.
You don't want me to click
I
it.
think tonight when our cameraman leaves, I might film a video of World of Warcraft, but it might just be on this iTouch. So,
You're about to click the button.
who cares if it's bad? At least you'll get to see some things. Hopefully. Ouch. Here's a car.
I mean 8. 8.
Oh, God!
9.
I'm holding the sign wrong.
9 and 9
I was holding the
minutes.
song like this.
9 and 9 minutes.
God, I don't think we're gonna be able to make
14.
Yeah.
Run. Chase it, chase it, chase it.
Yes.
10. And I guess that's it.
No, we got 1 more minute.
Now at 10 minutes.
No, we go 30
There you go.
more
One more. 30 seconds. Okay.
Yeah.
Go, go, go. Man, you suck.
Okay, she's coming back around. This time I'm gonna get her.
Chase her, chase her, chase her. Hug her over. Chase, 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 chase. Loser!
Well, I guess that wraps it up. This sign did absolutely nothing.
Turn around, turn around, turn around.
This is Chase well.
Maybe we can do this one.
Honk your horn!
Ow.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe, comment, and do whatever you want. Cut.